Introduction. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things finance and investing. In this video, we'll be discussing the best investments to make in 2023. With the pandemic slowly subsiding, the global economy is projected to see significant growth, making it an excellent time to invest. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Stocks. One of the best investments to make in 2023 is in the stock market. Stocks have always been a reliable investment option, and with the economy's projected growth, they're expected to perform exceptionally well. Consider investing in established companies that have a history of solid earnings and a proven track record. Some sectors, like healthcare and technology, are predicted to perform particularly well in 2023. Real estate. Another investment option that you might want to consider is real estate. Investing in property can provide you with a stable source of passive income, especially if you invest in rental properties. Plus, property values are expected to rise in 2023, making it an excellent time to invest. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have gained a lot of popularity in recent years, and for a good reason. They provide an excellent opportunity to invest in a decentralized and digital economy that's projected to grow in the coming years. However, cryptocurrencies are still a relatively new investment option and can be quite volatile, so be sure to do your research before investing. If you're new to investing, we recommend seeking the advice of a professional financial advisor to help you create a well-rounded investment portfolio that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. One other investment option that's worth considering in 2023 is sustainable investments. With climate change and environmental concerns becoming increasingly urgent, more and more investors are turning to sustainable investments to support companies that prioritize sustainability and environmental responsibility. Investing in renewable energy, clean technology, or environmentally responsible companies can not only generate profits but also contribute to a better world. And there you have it, folks, the best investments to make in 2023. Keep in mind that investing always involves some level of risk, so it's essential to do your due diligence and invest wisely. Whether you choose to invest in stocks, real estate, cryptocurrencies, or other investment options, remember to diversify your portfolio to minimize risks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.